Assalamu alaikum students, your teacher Zahra Hashmi is here with another interesting lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to learn more about angels. But first, a quick recap of previous lessons. We've learned so far that angels are made of nur, light. They do not eat food, drink water, or sleep like us. They can see human beings, but we cannot see angels. They never get tired of praying to Allah. They always obey Allah's command. Human beings are sometimes nice and at times naughty. Angels are always nice and they always say yes to Allah. We also learned about writing angels. They are two very important angels. They remain with us all the time. They write down our good deeds and bad deeds. They are also called Kiraman Katibin. Now we are going to learn about duties of angels. Angels perform different duties. And there are so many angels. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows the exact number of the angels. And they all do work for Allah. They all are performing tasks given to them by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For example, some angels protect us because it is a task given to them by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now we're going to learn the names of important angels. First one is Hazrat, Jib, Ra, Eel, alayhi salam. If you break the spelling and sound it out, it will be easy for you to learn the names of the angels. Next one is Hazrat is Ra alayhi salam. Next one, Hazrat is Ra alayhi salam. And the last one is Hazrat Mi alayhi salam. How, how many important angels are there? Think about it. Yes, you're right. Four important angels, Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam, Hazrat Israel alayhi salam, Hazrat Israfil alayhi salam, and Hazrat Mikael alayhi salam. Homework time. Learn and write the names of two important angels. Important angels are four, but I just want you to write the name of any two important angels. Learn the name and write the name of any two important angels. Once you've completed your homework, email it to me at zahrahashmi83 at the rate of gmail.com. That's all for today. Have a great day.